that you guys like, whereby we normally learn so many things. You learn how the defensive driving, you learn how to drive vehicles, and so many more. So the first thing I would like to tell you guys, don't forget to like, share, subscribe on the group, join the YouTube, pale Dani, tafuta the instructor, tafuta Martin Kamau Official, you are going to find me there. Pitia Facebook, that is Instructor Martin Official. So guys, today I wanted to learn the topic concerning traffic roads or the traffic road signs. So most of you have been coming down my DM and requesting me to have a follow-up on the traffic road signs. And now today I just decided I have to go the traffic road signs. So number one, I want to talk about these ones, the red one in color. So traffic road signs, normally we do check, the first thing we do check the color. Second thing, we normally check the shape. Okay? And number three, we normally check the border. Okay? So guys, on this part I'm going to classify the signs into three parts. So part number one, I have this part here, yes. So the stop sign is out. I put the stop sign out. So it just have this cross here. These are the warning signs. The meaning of the warning sign, this is a sign that talks about where you are heading. So a warning sign tells you that you are going to find this one maybe some meters ago, or maybe from the point you are to the point where the incident is happening is some meters ahead. Okay guys, so I may start with the first one here so that I can give you an example. I'm going to start with the first one here. This is a bend on your left. Okay, so if it's bend on your left, you have to know in mind, maybe 10 meters to come, you are bending on your right. Number two, the same, that is bend on your left. We have the successive bend. So in this case, it occurs in those the types of road whereby we have so many corners. So that's when you normally find the successive bend on your right or on your left. We have number three. These are step descent. So we are heading downward. These are equal sharp, heading downwards. We have number three, ascent. We are ascending. Yes, equal sharp. Okay guys, so this one, in this case, you may find it maybe 10 meters before you approach the descent or the ascent. We have the road narrow ahead. In this case, the road narrows from both sides, right and left. So these are road narrow ahead. Okay? We have the other one, road narrow from your right. Road narrow from your right, this one it also occurs in most highways. Maybe example, if you have been traveling using the outer ring road, we have this one and also we have this one. Yes, the same to this one. It's also the same. They are two. They are not different, but this one is right. The other one is on the left hand. We have riverbank ahead. Some meters ahead, we are going to find the riverbank. We have number W11. W11. This is an even road service. Hizi ni zile watu wanaitaka speed bump. They are known as the uneven road service. We have the severe bump, or also you can call it with another name, road hump. Okay guys? We have severe dip ahead. And we have the riverbed ahead. So guys, you have to be keen with the traffic road signs. You have to be keen with the traffic road signs. So in this case, these are the warning signs, and all the warning signs are triangular in shape, and their borders are red in color. Never forget. Any sign that is triangular in shape, apex facing upward, and borders are red, it's talking of some meters ahead, or some meters where you are heading to. Okay guys, up to there I know we are together. We have point number here. We have point number 2 or group number 2. Group number 2, we have these two signs. These are the two major traffic road signs in Kenya. So even if you drive, maybe you drive to Meru, you drive to Kisumu, you drive to Eldoret, to Kiambu, these are the two major traffic road signs in Kenya. So the first one is a stop sign and the other one is a, so these are give-way sign or a halt sign. Okay, so the two signs in all the major roads, not all the major roads, in all new roads, you have to find the two signs. You cannot lack one of the two signs. Okay guys? But now there is a difference. A stop sign, these are signs that tells that maybe you are joining a major road, coming from a minor, not a minor, you are coming from a feeder road, joining another road. So you have to stop first. Okay? Now we have the give-way sign. Maybe you are traveling, maybe on a roundabout, whereby you have to give priority or you give way. So this one is joining a major road, coming from a major road. You have to give way. And this one, it's not a must you are joining a major road. Maybe you are coming from a two-way traffic road, joining a one-way traffic road. Or maybe you are coming from a feeder road, joining a two-way traffic. Okay guys, up to that point we are okay. So these two signs in one name, they are known as priority signs. Hi, we have group number 3. Group number 3. Group number 3, as you can see, they are circular in shape. Borders are white in color. And the background is blue. Okay guys, so these ones are known as compulsory signs. Compulsory sign. So a compulsory sign, you have to follow the instruction. You have to follow what the sign is telling you to do. So you have to either you go straight or turn on your right. You don't have any other option. You have to bend on your right hand. There is a cattle truck crossing ahead, so you have to slow down and wait for the cattle truck to cross. Okay? We have the footpath. Yes, this one you have to slow your vehicle down up to the point whereby you are going, you have approached the pedestrian footpath, so that you cannot intervene with the pedestrian. Okay guys, so these one, they are compulsory. You have to follow what it is telling you. Example, let me check this one. I know some of us have been traveling on Thika Road. Yeah. The line, I think, in Otumakogen, sorry. We have High Point, past High Point. Yes. Yeah, past High Point, there is somewhere we had this side. And most of us didn't know the meaning. So this one is change of direction. So you may be coming from this side and it is here. So that means the lane that you are operating with, maybe it's under construction. So you have to shift and you change the lane and you join the lane that will take you to the safe side. Okay guys, this one is the direction to be followed. You have to follow the direction. You have to go straight. Okay? Then we have part number 4. So part number 1, warning. We have priority sign and we have compulsory sign. Now we have point number 4. So point number 4, these are prohibitory signs. Easy prohibitory signs. This is whereby you find we have been prohibited from doing something. Okay? You have been prohibited from doing something. Example, I can use this one here. This one 70m. So driving vehicles less than the distance. Ukiendesha gari yako less than the distance shown apart between two moving vehicles, it's prohibited. So you are not supposed to drive less than the distance shown. You have been prohibited from driving your vehicle keeping a distance of less than 70 meters. So you have to calculate using your mind, and you know that you have to keep a distance of 70 meters. Okay, the other one I have here down, I can talk about this one also. So on this one, we have the weight. You are not supposed to exceed the weight shown on one axle. Meaning of an axle, if we can check on the large vehicles, we have the trailers and so we have the trailers and those other large vehicles. The moment you approach on a weighbridge, you can find such kind of a sign. On a weighbridge, this is whereby you are told by the police officers who are inspecting the vehicles that your vehicle in each axle or in each line of wheels, the line of wheels, you are not supposed to exceed the weight. Okay? We can check on this one. We are told that the goods vehicle, yes, the one on red, that is the one the sign is speaking to. The one on the red, that's a good vehicle. You are not supposed to overtake. Okay, guys, let us come back to the first ones here. I have two signs. We have the railway crossing with barriers, and we have railway crossing without barriers. These are two signs which normally confuse my students much, and I know even to us who are watching, some of us, they do confuse. The railway crossing the railway crossing with barriers, this is whereby you have to slow down, you stop and wait for the way to be open. So in short form, this is whereby we have the railway staffs operating the barriers to hinder the vehicle from crossing. And the other one, this one, is whereby you have to follow the traffic rules and regulations so that you can be able to cross. So guys, I'm much grateful for you watching my videos. Okay, we have the other one here. These are hazard ahead. Also, we have difference between this one and the other one, a lifesaver. Maybe before I exit the video, I will show you. I'll capture a lifesaver for you so that you can see the difference. This one doesn't have wheels, so it is a traffic road sign. So this one, it talks to the driver of a black spot. So it talks more of a black spot or a place where most of accidents normally occur. So maybe you are driving or you are traveling to a certain place and you find this kind of a sign. It's known as a hazard ahead. So you have to be keen and you have to slow down your vehicle. Okay guys, you have to slow down your vehicle. So this one, most of us normally don't know the meaning of it, but it talks about places where most of accidents normally happen. If you have ever traveled to Tharaka Nithi, we have this kind of a road, this kind of a place where we have the river Nithi. Yeah, on that decent hill there, we have, I think, they are almost 5. You are being told, they are communicating to you and telling you you have to slow down because where you are heading to, it's a place where most of accidents normally occur. So guys, I'm much grateful. This is Instructor Martin Official. Let's see in the next video. Much grateful, and remember to like, subscribe there on Martin Kamau Official, YouTube Martin Kamau Official, Facebook. Don't forget, follow the Instructor Martin Official. Thank you guys. Thank you.